In question 6, we're asked to take a look at both an equation and a graph of a polynomial function. As we can see, this is a third degree polynomial because of our exponent here of 3. We can call this a cubic function. When we take a look at the equation even further, we see that the leading term, that's the x to the third term, is positive. There's no negative sign in front of it. The degree, remember our leading exponent, is odd. And so that should tell us that the end behavior should start down and end up. We can confirm that by taking a look at the graph, where we see here clearly that to the left, the graph starts down, and to the right, it ends up. We can also find a relative minimum at the point D, because if we look, sort of zoom in this area here, we see that D is the lowest or minimum point, and it also has a maximum at point B, right? Point B is the highest point in that window. Of course, it's not the highest point of the entire function, just at this particular place. Last, we're asked to find the roots of this function. And so we can find roots where the graph crosses the x-axis. It looks like if we count backwards, 1, 2, 3, we have roots at -3, at the origin, so that's a x value of 0, and at 1. Again, these are where the graph crosses the x-axis, thus we call them the x-intercepts. And these correspond to the letters A, C, and E in our graph.